Today we'll see how you can back up your WordPress website. Firstly, whenever you're updating something, let's say you're updating theme or you're updating WordPress in general, and it's always good to have a backup of your site. So let's say, I'll just give you an example here. Here I got to update my theme, but before updating the theme, I would want to have a backup of my website so that if anything goes wrong, I would have a backup and my site would be then up and running again. Right? So to get this update, first let's go and do a backup here. The first thing you need to have is a backup plugin. Go to plugins, click on add new, search for a plugin, Updraft. You'll get this plugin Updraft Plus, install it. You need to install and activate the plugin. It's always a good idea to have one WordPress backup always of your website. And then we'll also see how we can automate this backup. So every week or whatever frequency you want, it automatically takes a backup for you. All right, so once you've installed and activated, go to settings. Go to settings of the plugin, and here you'll see this button backup now. Click on backup now. Only allow the backup to be deleted manually. We don't want this backup to be deleted by itself, so we do it just by manually, and click on backup now. Here you'll see that it's creating a backup for you. Let this run. And you can manually even download your backup. Now here we see the backup is done. You can see this backup is succeeded and now complete. So that's my backup. And the next thing I want to do is do a setting wherein this backup happens automatic. I go to settings. I go to this files backup schedule. I do it weekly. The database also I'm setting it to weekly. And I'm adding this to be for 4. So here every weekly backup for 4 weeks is what we are doing. And then you can select where you want all these files to be stored. I'll take Google Drive. Simply you have to select all these. You can see all these things. I'm going to do this thing and save changes. Sign in with Google. All you have to do is sign in with Google. Just approve it once. Continue. Allow. Complete setup. And here we are done. So the first zip will be stored in your drive, and later every time you can see that okay, 4 backups are getting stored weekly there. And to use, you can simply go and use this backup. Once you don't have a page or anything, you can go and click on restore. When you go to restore, you'll get all the options, whatever pages or things you want to restore.